What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video, and this one's going to be a super quick and simple video because I'm only unboxing these SXC Cosmetics liners. I'm super excited about them, and you guys, there are so many, so I didn't get the chance to swatch them all out, and I still haven't decided, so I need you guys to help me decide. Should I swatch all of these out, or well, I think it's kind of like I have no choice, right? So I'm definitely going to be doing a video like that soon, and I'm going to be introducing a new video concept to you guys, and I was thinking this might be the perfect opportunity to do it. So you guys are going to see these liners coming very soon, and I did pull a few of them out that are glow in the dark liners. I already swatched those out, but I didn't include the clip here, but I was so excited, and I was looking to see like if they really glowed very well or not. So I'm gonna have you guys help me decide if you think they glowed very well. I'm kind of on the fence about it because I was going to use them for a nail design that I'm working on, and I decided not to use them, and I used the Lanfo glow in the dark gels that you guys have seen on a previous video. But anyways, this is the big hitter right here, and there are so many liners in this package. I don't even know where to start, and I cannot believe SXC Cosmetics released this. It's low odor, non-toxin free formula, cruelty free, environment friendly, etc. So thank you so much, SXC Cosmetics, for sending this over to us to look at. You guys, do you have this already? Because OMG, and if you do, how do you like it? I'm really looking forward to testing out the formula and seeing if it's an improved formula from the original batch of liners, and it looks like it could be, so we'll have to see about that. But anyways, you guys, I love you so much, and I will be back on a future video with these liners, so stay tuned. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you can get notifications every time I upload if you ring the bell. And I love you guys. Holla. Peace.
𝑠